absolutely majestic creature sitting next to me.
Hello.
I am not the
Oh
son
my
of.
God.
I am the savior. The
The savior. The box. Why? Okay, but why though? Is my
I
question.
couldn't resist. I think
can
it's
make it
fine.
over.
Oh, maybe it's not fine.
I don't know why would you...
Goodbye. Anna's that player.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I might be that player.
12 seconds later.
Destroy my traps.
No more teleport.
Ah!
Wait, can you hit it down with the fan?
What is the hockey? Come on, you guys.
Who's that player now?
Who did that?
Hi. Got bored this plane with you.
Hello, everyone. Oh.
Yeah, that seems about right. All right, let's see.
We're doing the route.
How about the waterfall?
Waterfall. Yeah.
Yeah, waterfall's great. We want the things. Want the stuff. This time I'll get something.
Copium.
Oi.
Oh, you guys don't type copium. You're gonna get timed out in my chat.
Do you get timed out if you say that in your chat?
Yeah. I put copium on a list that times you out for 5 seconds as a joke. And I forgot to remove it.
Should I time myself out for 5 seconds?
All right.
Everybody's waiting for the plane. I'm gonna crush it.
Get your own. I'm not traveling with you guys. Oh my god, Sana the Destructor. Alright, wow, Sana suddenly became so toxic. You guys are gonna reap what you sow, I'm telling you. You're gonna get what you deserve. Watson, what are you planning to do from here?
I'm gonna jump.